quick reading for January the 25th to the 26th Libra. We have the Ten of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. So parang medyo tinatansya natin, no? Ano ba yung pipiliin ko? Pipiliin ko ba yung situation na ito kahit na nahihirapan ako? Am I going to choose my person over me, no? Dahil I invested time, energy, effort. It could also be money. But one thing's for sure, mahal or minahal ko itong taong ito. Ganun na lang ba, no? Kadali para sa akin, no? Naiwan nga ito. So, you might be sitting on your throne, reevaluating things, no? Your future actions. Kasi mas nakikita natin dito yung weight nung love mo kay person. Parang iniisip mo, no, kapag ako nawala, baka mapariwara din itong person na ito. Kaya medyo nahihirapan ka. But either way, this is your quick reading, Libra, for January the 25th to the 26th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.